Welcome to the French Drayman channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, your host, and I want to talk about blind inlets. How we use blind inlets with our system. There's no maintenance with our blind inlets. The reason why we put blind inlets in is because our fabric has a bunch of holes punched in it. And until all the grass roots grow through those holes, so that through capillary action and gravity, the water's fed into our drainage system, it's good to have a couple of these blind inlets placed where you have collection areas that you already know are low, what we call potholes in the yard. You go ahead and you install your blind inlet right on top of the fabric, and you just go ahead and tamp the sod that you cut off back around it, and you don't have to do any maintenance. The idea is to let the grass grow over it. As the grass slowly grows into the blind inlet and the roots go down through the fabric, the drain is going to work better and better and better. So the only reason we recommend blind inlets in those potholes is because until the grass roots find their way through the fabric, your drain will not work its best. So meanwhile, these blind inlets will let the water freely flow. Once they get silted up, they do slow, but by that time, the grass is already growing over them. All right, everybody. Until that next video.